If a real estate investor is asking you to invest your money in one of their projects, this is what you should do to keep your investment safe. Before we get started, I am not an attorney. This is based off my experiences as a Georgia real estate investor myself. This applies to residential projects. Commercial can be a little bit different. And if you have multiple lenders on one of these projects, some of these things you might not be able to do. So the number one thing to do to protect your investment is close with a legitimate real estate attorney. Number two, have a security deed, not a quit claim. Make sure you are in first position and make sure that deed is recorded at the local city or county. Number three, have lender title insurance. Number four, make sure the project has builder's risk insurance with you as payable. Number five, have a predetermined draw schedule with clear milestones for payments. Number six, never give more money upfront than is required to acquire the property and get work started. Number seven, have clear loan terms such as your term, your interest rate, and your recourse. Number eight, require regular updates on the project. Number nine, be able to access the property at all times. And if you have any questions about keeping your investment in Georgia real estate safe, feel free to contact me. My contact information is below. I should be able to at least point you in the right direction. So if you learned something, please like, comment, share, or subscribe. My name is Alan. This is Investing in Georgia, and we focus on making wise real estate investments in Georgia.